Spot the beauty most people overlook. This is one of the most close-up photos I've ever taken, and it looks really cool to get such detail. Life is better when you appreciate the little things, and macro photography is all about spotting the beauty in details. We're getting down to pretty much the microscopic level here. Wow. That's why I love doing it so much. You'll be able to take photographs of just about anything. You can be eating lunch and suddenly you found the potential to shoot something creative and unusual that you wouldn't have thought of otherwise. I'll sit in one spot and I'll look around me and I'll see dozens of different things that would look great in macro. So I'm going to try something a little bit risky here. And if I was totally mad, I'd add this to the end and I'd also add this. In fact, let's try that. Introducing macro magic. The thing about shooting in macro is that minor changes can make a big difference. Okay, now we're really onto something. And that's pretty cool because we're getting up close and personal. And there's flowers and there's grass and there's trees everywhere. But that's the whole point, we get to explore. What we're really looking for here is texture. You don't want a fuzzy photo of a blurry object. This looks like a pretty unusual setup, but we're going to try something a bit different for this video. There we have it, a crystal clear photograph. It's a great technique to learn and really impressive. If I was using a crop sensor, that would obviously be magnified. And if I was using maybe an adapter, oh, there's a bug right here. Just test that that's working. Can you see okay? That's really cool, there we go. But we can improve it further. We should always aim to improve it further. It is a rather unusual tool, but it can get some spectacular results. And let me show you how it works. Bring this super close and see if we can come up with some cool colors. It's all part of the fun process of shooting macro photography. And that looks really cool actually. It requires steady hands. You can do this on your kitchen table. That's really cool. Oh yeah. Even if you struggled in school or aren't the greatest at grasping new skills, you're going to be shocked by how easy it feels to absorb this information.